4018 made its last run from Bessemer, Alabama to Birmingham, Alabama on February 29th, 1942 and was given by the railway to the city of Alabama on May 29th, 1952. Now let us show you some pictures of this steam engine.
What do you like about it, Si?
Well, it has a good front side, if I do say so myself. And it has a front coupler. Not all steam engines have a front coupler on it.
What's a front coupler? Show me what that is.
It's a front coupler is a coupler that allows it to couple up to anything up front.
And where is it?
Right above the cow catcher.
All right.
Here's the side of the steam locomotive right here. As you can see, it says 418.
So what did you think walking up to this thing?
It was kind of creepy at first, but I kind of got over it.
Why was it creepy?
Because I never seen a steam engine like from up close.
You haven't?
Yeah, I haven't.
Oh, okay.
And here's a massive size tender.
What does a tender do?
It provides it the coal it needs and the water.
Oh, okay.
And as you can see, I don't think the tender can be coupled from the steam locomotive. Here's the back of the tender. Right here.
And what's so special about that?
Huh?
Okay, so tell me about some of this stuff we're looking at, because Mommy don't know what this is.
I don't either.
You don't either?
Hold on. Get them right here. This part is the boiler. The driver puts coal into the boiler so it can create steam. And I think that's where the smoke from the whistle comes out at.
So you want to talk about some of the trains and what's so special about the wheels and stuff?
The wheels are an important part of the steam locomotive because it holds it up. Without the wheels, it wouldn't be able to move. And the front wheels are the training wheels, just like on bikes.
Oh.
And here's the piston that provides steam from there to make the steam. I just come out from there to go out.
Now, what does the 4018 stand for? Anything special?
Don't know.
You don't know yet? You gotta look it up.
Yeah, I gotta look it up.
Okay.
I have no idea what that does.
We'll have to go look all that up, huh?
And that's mostly where the firebox is. Inside, you can't see all of it. It'll just be a flame.
So what's the difference between the steam engine and all the other trains and
like diesels? Well, the difference between diesel and steam engines, they do have the same even. They both need fuel like coal and water to run this baby, and diesel fuel to power a normal diesel. But electric trains run on electricity. And it'll take more that cut before a diesel can depart.
Okay.
So it will probably take longer.
So is it what you thought it would be? You ready to go? So what are your thoughts about seeing this today? Did you think you were going to see this today?
No. I thought you were just kidding about when you said that you want to go see this. I might want to come back here for my birthday.
All right. Anything you want to tell people? Where is this located at? It's in Birmingham? It's in Birmingham. All right. Do you need me to record that also? All right.